Thank you for watching Lango News channel.
I am Judith Amsgood. I work with Step Radio here in Mbale City. We are still in campaigns and elections soon approaching. What assurance do you have for us Ugandans and visitors in terms of security?
That what?
What assurance do you have for us Ugandans and visitors in terms of security?
Security?
I think she's referring to the after election, maybe the possible. Yeah.
No, nobody can play it around here. You go and play those games in other parts of Africa, but not here. We normally follow all those shadow things. And some of our young people also misinform the foreigners. They think that Uganda is just like, I don't know what, but nobody can disturb our peace. Anybody who disturbs, we should just pick him on. That's the end of the story. And we are very strict also. We are with our lawyers. We no longer want this game. Somebody has done a bad thing, then he's given bail. Becomes like a game. We are insisting that please, and I'm glad even the courts are quite serious now. They no longer give bail to all these wrongdoers. Nobody will disturb our peace. If anybody tries, we shall easily deal with him. You saw what happened to people who came from near the border in Congo. They were finished in a very short time.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.